How to quickly hack a Gmail account. So if you want to hack a Gmail account, then I'll show you some steps. I'll show you the steps which hackers use to hack your account. So this video is only for educational purposes. Don't misuse the video. So the very first method that hackers use to hack your Gmail account is known as phishing. Now, what is phishing? The hacker sends you a link through your Gmail or Messenger or any kind of social media applications, which is not an official link. It's just link that has scripts at the back end of the link which enter into your mobile phone or laptop, which can steal your personal information, including your passwords or your Gmail or even other accounts, and steal your sensitive information. So if you go with your Google or your Chrome, and if you go with the search and search for phishing links example, and here it will provide you the phishing links for hacking people's information. And also there are some people who are developers themselves who can create the phishing links for stealing people's information. And the second method for hacking is another type of phishing, in which the hacker sends you the same kind of link, but when you click on that link, you are redirected to the Gmail's login page. It looks like 100% like the original Gmail login page, but if you came through a phishing link, then it's not the real one. And as soon as you enter your email and password in these fields, these are sent to the hacker and your account gets hacked. Again, there are some people who can create the phishing pages and also some resources available on online which provide you the phishing pages of Gmail for hacking or stealing people's information. And the third type of hacking is online website hacking. Now, people go to Google and type in here hack Gmail account and hit the search button. Now here are some websites and services available which would promise you to hack someone else's Gmail account, right? And when you go on these websites, they will ask you to enter your information, like your personal information of your Gmail account, your credentials in that website. And as soon as you enter your details in these websites, they are sent to the owners or creators of these websites and your Gmail account gets hacked in this way. So don't ever put your personal information or credentials on these kind of third-party or illegal websites. Now let's move on to the last method which hackers use to hack your Gmail account, and you can also use it for recovering your Gmail account. Now, if your account was hacked or you have lost access to it, what you need to do is you just need to simply go with mail.google.com and hit the go button. And after that, it will take you to the sign in page, right? Your sign in page appears up. You have to enter up your email. For example, I'll be entering an email. Now, for example, this is the email that I've lost access to, or I'm the hacker who is trying to access someone else's account. And press the next button. Now, if I don't remember the password, I have to go to the forgot password option, right? So once you tap on forgot password, it will ask you to enter your mobile number. So you just simply enter your mobile number and press the next button. Once you press the next, it will give you the code to enter. And once you enter the code, it will gain access to your Gmail account. Now, if the hacker or someone else have got access to your phone number, and if he got access to your SIM card on your phone number, then he can enter your phone number in this box and receive the code on that number and enter that code for accessing your account. In this way, you can hack an account, or in this way, you can recover your account. Simply go with forgot password and then you can reset your password and you'll be able to recover it. So that's how you can hack a Gmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.